Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibrations on this Samsung. Start by opening settings and tapping on sound and vibration. Over here you can click on sound and click on the switcher next to vibrate while ringing to enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also tap on vibrate and mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you're done, scroll down. Click on Call Vibration Pattern and pick one of the patterns for your incoming calls by tapping on the chosen one and going back. You can do the same for your notifications by tapping on Notification Vibration Pattern, selecting the one that you want to apply and going back as well. Then tap on Vibration Intensity and adjust intensity of vibrations for incoming calls, notifications and touch interactions by swiping left or right. When you're done, go back. Then choose System Sound Vibration Control, scroll all the way down, and over here you can enable or disable vibrations for all of these features by tapping on the switchers next to them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!